Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So students, we have completed the first part of our chapter. So let's begin with the second part. Okay, in the second part we are going to study about the simple past tense. Okay, and then we are going to do the exercise number 2. So what is simple past tense? The simple past tense has the same form with all the subjects as I worked, he worked, you worked, they worked. Okay, so they have completed their work, so that is why it is called as a simple past tense, means the action has been done in the past. Okay, so however the be verb changes with the subject. Note the timetable. You have to see this timetable to understand what it has been given. Okay, so let's begin. I, he, she, it. So here was will be used. Okay, I was, he was, she was doing this, it was. Then again, you were, we were, and they were. Simple past tense is used for an action completed at some time in the past. Okay, we talk or think about a definite time in the past, as yesterday, last week, in 2002. So simple past tense is a action. Okay, is a action completed at some time in the past, means the action has been already completed, the work has been already completed in the past. Okay, so we talk and think about this at a definite time in the past. So let's begin with these sentences. Vijay phoned me last time. Okay, so the action has been completed in the past. Vijay has phoned him in the last night. Okay, I saw Abdul an hour ago. He saw Abdul an hour ago. Okay, so the action has been completed. He had already seen Abdul a long hour ago. It was very hot yesterday. Okay, yesterday was very hot day. I bought this camera in Chennai. He had already bought the camera in Chennai. We visited the Taj Mahal in 2001. So here in this sentence somebody is saying that we have already visited the Taj Mahal, means they have already visited this place in 2001. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, means already he had sat on a wall. So I hope all of you have understood what is simple past tense. So let's begin with these sentences. Complete the sentences using the verbs in the past tense. Choose words from the box alongside. Okay, you have to choose the words from these boxes and you have to write down here. You have to fill the blanks. For example, first one is given. We dash a video last night. The action is already completed. So we are going to write watched a video last night. Okay, so in the next sentence, the boy dash an ice cream. The boy has already, we have to write down the answer in a simple past tense, means the action has been completed. So we are going to write ate. Okay, ate. He already ate the ice cream. Okay, so we are going to write he ate. The boy ate an ice cream. Okay, I dashed these books from the library last week. I borrowed these books from the library. So rest of the sentences you have to do it by your own and send me a picture on WhatsApp.